Good morning, my dear students. Welcome back to online class of science of class 3rd. How are you all? I hope you all are fine there. Students, as you all know, your 4 classes of science is over and today is your 5th class, and in this class I will explain you your lesson number 3. 2 chapters already over with question answers and book exercise, and in this chapter I will explain you only lesson number 3. Now come on, take out your book. Open lesson number 3 on page number 19. Here you can see your lesson number 3. The lesson is birds. In this chapter I will explain you about different type of birds and their nest and about their body parts. So students, listen this chapter carefully. It is very interesting chapter. First of all, your first exercise is here. Can you name these birds? Your first is a green bird that with a red beak. So here I have written green bird with a red beak, parrot. Now next, a flightless bird जो उड़ नहीं सकती, ostrich. Next, a bird whose eggs we eat, hen. Next, the national bird of India, peacock. And the fifth is a bird that was used to carry messages, pigeon, pigeon. So students, this is your let's warm up exercise. Now start the explanation of this chapter. Read on. Birds are feathered, winged animals with a beak. They are egg-laying animals. Bird's body comprises of a head with a beak, a trunk with wings, feathers and legs with claws. Students, birds is a feathered means birds के पंख होते हैं और इसकी body head, trunk, feather, legs में divided होती है. How do birds fly? Birds कैसे fly करते हैं? Here I will tell you. First point, most birds can fly in the air. Your first point, the wings of the birds help them to fly. The wings are attached to the body with the help of muscles. These muscles helps the wings to move. So students, what you get? जो wings होती है birds की वो उनको help करते हैं उड़ने के लिए और ये attach होते हैं body muscles से और यही muscles wings को move करते हैं. Second, they have hollow and light bones which make their bodies very light. Birds की bone बहुत ज़्यादा light होती है, hollow होती है, by which they can make their body flightful. Okay, now next. The streamlined or boat-shaped body of the bird help them to fly through the air easily. So this is your page number 19. Here is a bird diagram. Okay students, and afterwards I will tell you about. Here you can see the claws, down feather, breast, throat, beak. If it will come, you have to draw like this only and you have to label all the part of this diagram. Now come on, next chapter. Next page. 20. Here. Fourth point here. The tail of the birds help them to change direction while flying. So what is the use of tail? Tail help them to change the direction when flying. Now next. When birds fly, their wings move up and down in two direction. ऊपर नीचे दो डायरेक्शन में उनके विंग्स मूव करते हैं जब बर्ड्स फ्लाई करते हैं. नेक्स्ट, द अपवर्ड एंड बैकवर्ड मूवमेंट ऑफ द बर्ड इज कॉल्ड अपस्ट्रोक मूवमेंट एंड द डाउनवर्ड एंड फॉरवर्ड मूवमेंट ऑफ द बर्ड इज कॉल्ड डाउनस्ट्रोक मूवमेंट. ओके, नाउ हियर feathers. A bird's body is covered with different type of feathers. Down feathers and flight feathers. Down feathers are small and fluffy feathers. They keep the bird's body warm. Body गर्म रखते हैं ये वाली feathers. And light feathers are attached to the wings. They are flat and long. They help the birds to fly. So which type of feathers are helping birds to fly? Flight feathers. Now here Beaks of bird. Different kind of birds have beaks of different shape. The shape of bird's beak depends on the kind of food it eats. Birds use their beak to pick up and eat their food. They also use their beaks to make their nest. So what is the use of beak? First of all birds have different type of beaks, okay, and the shape also different. And they use their beaks, means birds use their beaks to pick up, उठाने के लिए, and eat their food. फूड को उठाने और खाने के लिए हेल्प करती है जो बीक होती है बर्ड्स की. Now here's a chart. Bird's beak, how it uses. Here are different birds and their different beaks and how they use. Here's a chart about that. Your first bird here. You can see small hard and pointed beak, sparrow. Here's a sparrow, small hard pointed beak. Sparrow, pigeon, peacock have these beaks to eat grain, seeds and crack nuts. Hooked beak, a parrot has a hooked beak. Hooked beak helps in to crack nuts and bite hard fruits. Now next page. Here, page number 21. Eagle, strong, sharp and hooked beak. Eagle, vulture, hawks have strong, sharp and hooked beaks. Such a beak helps these birds to tear the flesh. Next, duck, broad and flat beak. Duck have broad and flat shovel-like beaks. These beaks help them to dig the soft mud near ponds to find worms for their food. These beaks have strainer along to the edge to the beak, but water and mud goes out of these strainers, leaving worms inside. Okay, now next, strong and heavy beak. A woodpecker has a strong and hard and heavy beak. It helps to make hole in the trunk to catch insects for its food. Now next, broad beak. Swallows have broad and short beak. Their mouth is sticky from inside. As they go round and round through the air with beaks open, tiny insects get stuck into their mouth. Now, broad, long and pointed beak kingfisher have such beak to catch fish from the water bodies. Next, sunbird, long, thin and the pointed beak. Sunbird has this type of beak to suck nectar from the flower. So this is the chart about the different type of beaks and their uses. I hope you are able to see it and you get all the explanation related to it. Topic here. Next topic, feet and claws of birds. Birds use their feet and claws to walk, hop and sit on branches of the trees. They also help the birds to catch and hold their food. Students, birds use अपना वो जो legs feet use करते हैं to walk, sit and hop के लिए, and they also catch their food with the help of their claws. Okay, now come on next page, page number 22 on the top of the paper. Preying birds like vulture, eagle have sharp claws with curved nails called talons to kill their prey and tear the flesh. And scratching birds like hens, peacock have sharp claws and strong legs. These help them to scratch the ground to look and see worms. Okay. Now, home of birds. Here you can see a nest is a home of bird. Nests are a shelter for their eggs and young ones. Birds lay their egg in a nest. The egg hatch and the young ones come out. Students, what is the home of a bird? A nest. A nest is a home of a bird. और नेस्ट में क्या करती हैं बर्ड्स? रहती हैं और अपनी eggs. They lay their eggs in the nest. Type of nest. Different birds have different type of nest. Your first is, here you can see first of all, birds use a variety of things to build their nest. clothes, leaves, straw, wool, threads and twigs are some commonly used material. So these are the material which birds use to make their nest. Now come here. Here weaver bird nest. Weaver birds its nest here. Weaver bird weaves its nest from grass and leaves. It has a slightly bent inside it which prevent the eggs from falling. Okay, so weaver birds, how they build their nest? With the help of grass and leaves. Now vulture nest. Vulture use a stick and make a tall tree. The nest of the vulture look like a shallow cup. Okay, so vulture is using a stick to make their nest. Tailor bird nest. Tailor bird make its nest with the leaves. It uses its beak for a needle to sew the leaves using thread and wool. You can see here in this picture. In this way, tailor bird make their nest with the help of sewing, thread and wool. Okay. Now next, woodpecker's nest. Woodpecker make their nest in trees trunk with the help of their beak. Here you can see in ट्री के ट्रंक में होल करके ये अपना नेस्ट बनाते हैं woodpecker. Now come on next page. On the top of the paper, sparrow's nest. Sparrow and pigeon build their nest to ventilators, roof and houses and their other places. So this is the common type of nest. I hope you all have seen this. And next is kingfisher nest. Kingfisher make a hole along the bank of a river and use it as a nest. So this is about the different type of nest. Now come on next, sound of birds. Here, most birds make noise and sound that scientists have been able to group into two types, calls and songs. Scientists differentiate bird sounds into two types, call and song. First of all, calls. What are calls? Calls are short tones that are used to give warning to other birds. Warning देता है calls. And the songs are longer tone which repeat sound pattern that make them sound musical. So this is about sound, call and song. What bird sounds means? Call means, here you can see, I have food, I have found food, I am worried, look out, there is a flying predator, don't disturb, this is my territory. So this is about call. And about song here, I am lovely, I am so happy, I am singing a song. So this topic is about sound of birds. Now care for birds. Never touch egg in bird's nest. Do not touch or move a bird's nest. Do not pick up a baby bird from the nest. कभी भी किसी भी बर्ड के एग को नहीं टच करना चाहिए. नेवर टच और मूव, कभी भी बर्ड्स के नेस्ट को कहीं से हटाना नहीं चाहिए और कभी भी बेबी बर्ड को नहीं छूना चाहिए. सो दिस इज़ अबाउट द बर्ड. So this chapter is over. Explanation is over. I hope you all get the explanation of this chapter. In next video, I will give you question answer of this chapter and book exercises also. Students, you all have to prepare your second chapter for revision test. In next video, I will give you revision test paper. So all have to prepare full chapter, second chapter. And your today's homework is to read this chapter again and learn lesson number 2. Sufficient for today. I will meet you in next class. Thank you and have a nice day.